Greetings, tech investigators. This is Mystery Curtain with your next big review. We'll power up the latest gadget, put it through its paces, and uncover whether it's a game changer or just another overhyped toy. Apple's September 2025 launch introduced two very different yet equally intriguing devices: the iPhone Air and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. At first glance, both phones share some similarities, including the A19 Pro chip, a smooth 1:120 Hz display, and a 48 megapixels Fusion main camera. However, their approaches to design and performance diverge sharply, making the decision between them dependent on what kind of user you are. The iPhone Air is all about sleekness and portability, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max is a showcase of Apple's most advanced hardware to date. The iPhone Air grabs attention with its stunningly thin profile, measuring just 5.6 millimeters thick and weighing a mere 165 grams, making it the thinnest iPhone Apple has ever produced. Its titanium frame ensures durability despite the slim design, and it remains IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. This phone feels light and elegant, perfect for those who value portability above all else. By contrast, the iPhone 17 Pro Max leans heavily into a robust, premium feel. With its 8.75 mm thickness and weight of 231 grams, this makes it less comfortable for extended one-handed use. But the unibody aluminum design helps with thermal management and gives it a more solid presence in the hand. Both devices feature Ceramic Shield 2 on the front and Ceramic Shield on the back for added protection. In terms of aesthetics, the Air is available in 4 lively colors: Space Black, Cloud White, Sunrise Gold, and Sky Blue, while the Pro Max comes in 3 more muted options: Silver, Cosmic Orange, and Deep Blue. Looking at the display, both phones are on equal footing in terms of quality. Each features an LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED panel, with a resolution sharp enough to provide 460 pixels per inch, peak brightness, up to 3000 nits, and adaptive refresh rates between 1 and 120 Hz. Both are equipped with a new anti-reflective coating that improves outdoor visibility. The main difference is size. The iPhone Air has a 6.5-inch display, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max stretches to 6.9 inches, providing more screen real estate for media consumption, multitasking, and gaming. For users who prefer compactness, the Air is easier to handle. But for those who want a large screen experience, the Pro Max clearly wins. When it comes to performance, both models use the same A19 Pro processor, built on a 3nm process, offering up to 40% efficiency improvements over previous generations. The Air, however, is slightly less powerful because it comes with a 5-core GPU, instead of the 6-core GPU found in the Pro Max. The Pro Max also integrates a vapor chamber cooling system, allowing it to sustain high performance during extended gaming or intensive workloads. Both phones start with 256 GB of storage, but the Pro Max pushes the boundaries with configurations up to 2 TB, compared to the Air's 1 TB maximum. Both come preloaded with iOS 26 and are guaranteed long-term software support, making them future-proof choices. The most noticeable differences appear in the camera department. The iPhone Air, due to its thin design, houses only a single 48 megapixels Fusion camera on the back, which also doubles as a 2x telephoto shooter at 24 megapixels. While this is sufficient for everyday photography, it cannot match the versatility of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which features a triple lens system including a 48 megapixels main sensor, a 48 megapixels ultrawide, and a new 48 megapixels telephoto with up to 8x optical zoom. This setup makes the Pro Max far more capable for professional photography, mobile filmmaking, and creative flexibility. The Pro Max also supports advanced video features like ProRes RAW cinematic recording, making it a superior choice for content creators. On the front, Both phones are evenly matched with an 18-megapixel square-shaped sensor that works with Apple's center stage technology, improving selfies and video calls. Battery life is another area where the Pro Max comes out on top. The iPhone Air can last up to 27 hours of video playback, which is respectable, but the Pro Max extends that to 37 hours thanks to its larger battery. Both devices support fast charging, capable of reaching 50% charge in just 20 minutes, but if endurance is your priority, the Pro Max is the clear winner. Ultimately, the choice between the iPhone Air and the iPhone 17 Pro Max boils down to priorities. If you want the thinnest, lightest iPhone ever made, with a premium titanium build, a sharp display, and solid everyday performance, the iPhone Air is an attractive option. However, if you're looking for the absolute best in Apple's lineup, superior cameras, extended battery life, a massive display, and the highest storage options, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the obvious pick. Both are flagship-level devices, but they cater to very different audiences. One values elegance and minimalism, while the other is built for power and versatility.